How many videos do I need to upload to get 1,000 subscribers? This is a question I asked myself as I struggled to go on this platform until I found this answer I'm about to share with you. That was the intro. Hey guys, I'm Dessyclef. If this is your first time here, then shake my hand. Yes. Welcome to my channel. I do reviews, upload educational content while trying to entertain you at the same time, anytime. So don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, smash that bell so you wouldn't miss anything I upload, okay? Alright, but right out the gate, I would like to ask you to tell me how you're feeling about this and my other content. So just before you click off, kindly write me a feedback in the comment section. Leave a dislike if you have to, but I'll be very grateful if you took a minute to share your thoughts on my approach around the topics I touch on and what you feel I need to put more work into to make this channel more appealing to you and a host of other viewers. Now back to the topic. How many videos do I need to upload to get 1,000 subscribers? Well, a lot. As it turns out, a lot of YouTubers have had to work their butt off uploading videos after videos at a regular pace to make it to this milestone. Upon finding this out, I got to realize I'd been asking a goddamn good question, but in the wrong manner. Although there's the need to upload a good amount of videos on YouTube, the number of video uploads doesn't directly determine the number of subscribers you will gain, and that's a fact. In fact, there are people who have just about a video to upload it but have crossed this 1,000 subscribers milestone. Obviously, I don't belong to this category because as at the time of recording this video, I had uploaded about 14 videos and have 70 subscribers. Otherwise, why would gaining 1,000 subscribers be a problem in the first place? It's okay if you don't belong to this group too, because you're about to find out how your video uploads can propel you to reaching 1,000 subscribers milestone. But guys, tell me, how have your journey been so far? Let's have this chit chat because I want to know more about you, your struggles, and also learn from you too. So, how many videos have you uploaded and how many views and subscribers have these videos blessed you with? Let me know about this in the comment section too, okay? Alright, now let's assume your YouTube channel is a tree. A big tree, a small tree, a tree. Picture every video you upload on this channel as a branch. And branches produces leaves. Some has more leaves than the others. The leaves in our case will be the views. The views that your video generates to your channel. You know, the more branches a tree has, the higher the opportunity the tree has to produce more leaves and be fruitful when it blossoms. The fruit also in this case is the subscribers. So more videos you have uploaded, the higher the chances of reaching more people and catching their interest and eventually having them to subscribe to your channel. Talking about subscribe, please hit that subscribe button for me too, Okay. Here's the thing with this platform. YouTube wants people to stay on this platform for as long as possible so they can run ads and generate profit from it. So once a viewer watches a video from your channel and engages with it, YouTube gets the feeling that your content is a great stuff and that it can be pushed to more people. And guess what? They start to recommend it. They even suggest more of your video to people, trying to get them to watch it and enjoy it so they can eventually remain a little longer on the platform. Now, more people getting your contents means you are likely to get more views for your videos and more potential subscribers for your channel, which will lead you to reaching the 1,000 subscribers milestone. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? Don't you like it? Don't you like it? Okay. One key ingredient for keeping viewers coming back for more and making sure YouTube keeps suggesting your content is consistency. Consistency in how your videos are made, how your videos are presented, and most especially consistency on when your videos are uploaded. Having a regular upload schedule doesn't only help increase the number of videos you upload, it helps the viewer know when to come back and find not just a new content, but also the content that relates to what caught their interest in the first place. When your style is consistent, it gives your audience a reason to be excited about your next video. Having a consistent thumbnail style will make your viewers begin to recognize your videos when they show up in their feed. And if they liked the last one, they will definitely want to check out another one and another one and another one, and another one. I definitely lack consistency on my YouTube channel because I upload just anytime, and I believe it's part of the reason why my YouTube channel is having a poor growth. But I'm promising you, my viewers, a change. Although I can't upload every day due to work and family responsibilities, I'm committing myself to upload once every 2 weeks, and I hope that's okay with you. Thank you for watching, and hey, don't forget to create and upload consistently, alright? Peace. And most especially consistency on when your videos are uploaded. Having a regular upload. Kindly write me a feedback in the comment section. Leave a dislike if you have to. First, the intro. Was that the intro? That was the intro. That was the intro. That was the intro. That was the intro.